SurveyCTO Collect has lots of settings you can customize, such as setting the default image capture size, hiding certain menu options, and more. For example, by default, the Manage Cases menu is hidden, and you can enable it from the SurveyCTO Collect settings. You can do this manually for every collection device, or you can set up a default device configuration. With a default device configuration, as soon as the user signs into SurveyCTO Collect, the settings you want are applied automatically. Default device configurations can even download forms automatically. For example, let's say you want enumerators to only fill out forms for Manage Cases and they should not download any other forms. You can set up a default device configuration so that as soon as a user signs in, the main SurveyCTO Collect menu looks like this instead of this. Let's demonstrate how to set up a default device configuration. First, let's set up your collection device with your preferred settings. From the SurveyCTO Collect main menu, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right. There are two types of settings, General Settings and Admin Settings. Each of these have settings that can be saved to default device configuration. Go into both of these and apply the settings that should be applied to every other collection device. It is now time to set up your default device configuration. For this, you will need the collection device you just set up, as well as a computer where you can access the server console. From your server console, go to the Collect tab. Under Mobile Data Collection, click Create Default Device Configuration. Select a user role. Once the default device configuration is set up, whenever a user with that user role signs into SurveyCTO Collect, the default device configuration settings will be applied. I'll select Data Collection Only. Click Next. When you're ready to send the settings, click Receive Settings from Collect. Your server console is ready to receive settings. From the collection device you set up earlier, send the settings to the server. From the main menu, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right, then Admin Settings. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right again, then Send Settings to Server. When this pop-up appears, it means the settings have been sent successfully. Back on the server console, it will now say the settings have been received. There are three other settings. If Include Cases Dataset is selected, then the cases data will be downloaded automatically when the enumerator signs into SurveyCTO Collect. That way, if the enumerator will be collecting data offline, they do not have to remember to refresh the Manage Cases menu with the latest data before going offline, since it will be downloaded automatically. My workflow uses case management, so I'll select it. If Include Forms is selected, then when the user signs into SurveyCTO Collect, it will automatically download the specified forms. That way, enumerators do not have to remember to find and download the forms they need, since they will be downloaded automatically. This is also great for restricting access to forms. If you set up the default device configuration to disable the Get Blank Form menu, enumerators will only be able to fill out the forms that were downloaded automatically. This method is not foolproof like Teams, but it is a good way to restrict access to forms. I'll select this, then select the form Household Form. That way, the household form will be downloaded automatically when the enumerator signs into SurveyCTO Collect. Finally, we have Include Extra Instructions. If this is selected, you can specify the text that will appear in a pop-up when the enumerator signs into SurveyCTO Collect. I'll select it, then enter Good luck collecting data. Once your default device configuration is set up, click Save. And the default device configuration has been saved. Now, whenever an enumerator with the user role Data Collection Only signs into SurveyCTO Collect, those settings will be applied. Let's sign into SurveyCTO Collect and see what it looks like with the default device configuration. Here, we have a fresh installation of SurveyCTO Collect that has not been opened yet. I'll tap the icon to open it. When you first open SurveyCTO Collect, it will ask you to allow needed permissions. Tap Allow for each permission. When SurveyCTO Collect opens, this pop-up will appear. Leave Run Quick Setup selected and tap OK. Sign into SurveyCTO Collect. Enter your server name, username, and password. When you're done, click Run Quick Setup. And we are now signed in. Notice how the Include Extra Instructions text we entered earlier now appears. When I tap OK, we are brought to the main menu. As you can see, instead of the standard menu items, it shows the customized main menu we set up earlier. There is no Fill Blank Form, get blank form nor delete saved form, but we do have manage cases. The default device configuration has been set up successfully. To learn more, check out the links below.